and we are in front of this new Hymer Yosemite for the 2025 with the new Fiat Ducato chassis and style. Let's check actual spec sheet, and for this camper with a pop-up roof we are looking at the price of 98,000 euros. And I will be getting straight inside. So we have a automatic standard fridge and pretty nice interior with leather seating and fold-up table, Fiat Ducato chassis, and there is no cabinet right here, but rather we have cabinets on the side that opens in a 45 angle manner. Nice. And then additional cabinets with a Truma heater and Truma combi placed in a hidden position. Great thinking. And they're all padded. Nice. Let's have a look on the pop-up roof, and that's pretty nice. Pretty nice and wide. And getting back down, we have a standard domestic cooking situation, 2 burners and a sink. Over the top we have an additional cabinet, and under it, let's try to open that up. Okay, so this is the first one, and the second one, the third one, and the fourth one. Not bad. Then we have additional storage down there, and the smaller actual shower with a folding sink and actual Thetford cassette toilet with a smaller shower area. But then you get a longitudinal bed with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 cabinets over the bed for additional space. And let's measure that already. We have 1.931, and from the longest part we have 2 meters from this side and approximately 1.8 from that side. Not bad for a 6-meter van. You have a longitudinal bed on the back. Pretty nice. And here you have additional storage for your chairs and other things. And from the other side, well, here should be actual gas tanks, and also we can measure widest part. Well, this is pretty small, 0.6, and it's actually 1.7 meters long. So you have slightly a longer base to put in stuff. And let's have a look of this new Yosemite for 2025 year.